Hey guys, it's Thursday, April 18th, and this is 5 Awesome Musicians. I don't have much to talk about this week, but I do have a performance for you. Last week, my middle school methods class had our third musicianship project, and the assignment was to write an original song. And in reference to the awful weather that we've been having in Champaign-Urbana this past week, it is called Rainy Day, and in honor of Jazz Appreciation Month, it's a snappy little jazz number. Also, I'm playing Summer in Ohio from the last 5 years at a recital in about a week and a half, and I realized after we wrote Rainy Day, I got home and I started practicing for the recital. I started playing through it and I went, oh, because I basically unconsciously ripped off the opening of Summer in Ohio for the opening of Rainy Day. Oops. That's it for me this week. I will see you next Thursday. Have a great weekend, and a great beginning of your week, and happy Jazz Appreciation Month.
We're 5 awesome musicians, with an X that's just our way, and that's what makes us awesome. What else can I say?
I feel like I'm a news reporter, because you can only see this half of me, and it was pouring when I was walking home today. My pants got soaking wet, so I'm just not wearing them anymore.